Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download document scanning with Adobe Scan for closing packets, complete guide step by step clearly. To download and install the Adobe Scan app, begin by opening the App Store on your iOS device or the Google Play Store. Use the search bar to type in Adobe Scan. Once the app appears in the search results, tap on it to access the download page. For iOS users, press the Get button, and for Android users, tap on Install. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. After installation, locate the Adobe Scan icon on your home screen or app drawer. Tap to open the Adobe Scan app. If this is your first time using the app, it may prompt you to sign in with an Adobe ID or create a new account if you don't have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-in process. Upon logging in, you will see the app's main interface, ready for scanning. Place the document you want to scan on a flat surface with good lighting. Point your device's camera toward the document, ensuring it fits within the frame indicated on your screen. The app will automatically detect the document's edges and capture the image. If the automatic capture does not trigger, you can manually tap the shutter button to take a picture. Once the scan is complete, the app will allow you to review the scanned image. Here, you can adjust the cropping or enhancements if necessary. When you're satisfied with the scan, tap Save PDF or continue to move to the next step. You can rename the document for easier identification later. After confirming the name, choose the option to save it to your device or share it directly. For closing packets, ensure the scanned documents are organized and easily accessible. To share your documents, tap the share icon and choose your preferred sharing option, like email or cloud storage. If you need to scan multiple pages, repeat the scanning process for each additional document. Once all documents are scanned and saved, review them to ensure everything is accurate. That's how you can download and use Adobe Scan for closing packets effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.